In this video, I want to talk about how you can get free coupons on AliExpress. So currently there are 4 different ways to do this. Now the first one right here is to go to the coupon center. Now I suggest using the app for all of these since it's much easier. So what you want to do is log into your account and go to coupon center, and in there you should be able to find some. Now the second one is to get the daily coins. This only works for the mobile app. You can check in every day and complete tasks, and you can get coins. Now for the third one, this only works once, but this is a new user deal. So when you sign up for the first time, you're gonna get special promo. The fourth one is just look for any major like events like Black Friday, Christmas, all this sort of stuff. And usually they will have some sort of coupons on the page. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.